Okay, here she is. The battery is not the right battery, so it doesn't fit on the tray. I put a fastener because it was even loose, but that's the best we can do. Otherwise, you gotta change the battery. Now on the front end, you're gonna need shock bushings. All these bushings are gone, and then the rack and pinion. It has a lot of play. Look, my guy is moving it, and then you see. Yeah, go on the other side, Carlos. Okay, on this side, see, this side is okay. Yeah. All right. So yeah, and then down here everything is fine. Right here, the shifter bushings are leaking oil, and also the dipstick seal right there. Okay. So you see that oil? I dried everything off, and then it came back. It's not the pan, but when you do the seal, the shifter seal, which is inside there, you got to remove both of these pans, replace the gaskets and all that. Okay, down here, like I said, probably you're gonna need like those brake hoses. Look how old they are. They're pretty old. I mean, the car stops and everything. They're not leaking, but and then the exhaust, the catalytic converter is definitely no good. The car smells way too much. Then these, Soybar link holders and bushings. Can we bring it down, Carlos? Then the axle, they need to be rebuilt. The two axles, the boots are gone. And this one is almost ready to break right there. Okay, go ahead. Okay, that one's really nice. Well, we know about the front tires. The rear tires are okay. The front tires, it's pretty old and cracked. Yeah, you see the bushings are all cracked. I mean, you see. Alright. Then we got the air conditioner running very nice too. I have to change a couple of things on the air conditioner. The screws, some of the screws, and a lot of things that were wrong. Okay, so we took the valve covers off and go ahead. The timing belt. I changed some of the hoses, but you still got to do that hose. And also the two hoses, one by the fuel pump right there, and the return for the fuel dumper that needs to be replaced. So we refinished the top of the engine, and we also refinished the filter since it didn't have the Ferrari word on it. So I said might as well just make it nice and black, like it's supposed to be. So all this looks really nice. And can we start it up? He's going to start it up. And see, I already drove it. I drove it around the block a couple of times. So it was really nice. The steering is a little bit loose. You're going to need to change that rack and pinion. Okay, look, there we go.